What's up, farmers and gardeners and hippies alike? Daniel Medina. Just wanted to pipe on. I came out to my garden this morning and it was just looking a little droopy and sad. And I realized that we're going to start getting into warmer temperatures. This is where I had it last time, right there next to the ladder. And this is where I have moved it this morning. It didn't take me long. This is actually my seeding station. And I have here, this is screen material. I got a whole roll of it, and I just love to repurpose things and reuse them. So my garden is getting light shade from the screen, it's getting shade from above, and it's getting shade from that pole behind it as well. So plants look great. I rinsed them off, washed them off. I cleaned the pump, took the filter out, washed the filter out, and everybody looks happy. Happy plants, happy Papa. Set up 2 gardens so far this season. If you have one and you need some help, I'll come by. Probably Mondays or Tuesdays are best for me, and I'll come by and help you set up your garden. Hope you're well. Let's go. I'm looking for listings, 1% listing packages right now too. Great savings, and let's get some business done, huh? Happy gardening, guys.